na gitio kinene njetekeria ngorogi kwa mukira guku kwa Muthingi TV gikojero-ini gitu kia mohoro muthenya wa umuthe ngigukinyangiria ngeithi ciakwa cia Happy New Year amuto tigikoretwo nawe no ona gukiria uguo ni ndagioka ngumenyithio uria bũrũri wa gitinda ukigarira riboti kuma county itiganite ona nginyagia jawa itoka wa bũrũri umuthe ntoke kaharĩrĩirie maingĩ guku metha-ini itu ya mohoro ni mutabania waku Gutiga Eri wa Kimani. Nakuo orere tũrĩkĩtie kwambĩrĩria mwaka ntambĩrĩrie na riboti ya ũhagũku wa ũgitĩri kũrĩa andũ erĩ nĩ marĩkĩtie gũte mĩoyo yao gũkũ kana kamwe gagĩthiĩ na mbere kũhonia nguraro ciako thutha wa tharikira ya Itoi ĩrĩa ĩrarĩkirie kũhanĩka kũrĩa ward-inĩ ya Semi thutha wa thirikari ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩgĩtabania na kuga atĩ ni gukorwo ikihauka kuona ukoretwo na uhaguku wa ugitiri kwa kahinda karaihu iki nikio kiambiriria ya tharikira ya mwaka uyu ira iragitafanirio hau muthenya wa ira.
Kwa majina naitwa Sharon Akinyi Odhiambo, mimi msichana wa Homa Bay. Nimeoleka hapa Semi Kochola. Kuungua kwa nyumba yetu ilitokana ghafla. Hatujui ni nini ilitokeana. Sasa tunaomba tu serikali tusaidie. Nimebaki mama mjane mwenye ako na watoto 10.
Nilistuka kitu kama saa 8 kama nasikia light, naona light. Nilikuwa nafikiria ni jirani ndiye anamulika anaenda baharini. Kuangalia vizuri nikaona moto inawaka. Kuzima moto nikakaa chini, nikafikiria kupigia majirani. Nilipigia majirani, nilikosa simu ya majirani. Walikuwa mteja, wengine walienda baharini saa hiyo. Kupigia mwenzangu mwingine mdogo, akapigia mashemeji zangu wadogo. Kukuja nikafungua mlango. Si kuangalia chini ya mlango, nilikimbia tu nione pale ilikuwa inachomeka. Kutoka huko kurudi wanaenda kitu kama saa 9, nikaona barua kwa mlangoni. Kuangalia barua vizuri nikaita nikamwambia hebu rudini muone hii barua. Kusoma barua nikaona barua imeandikwa Esther Milome. Tumetumwa tukuchome kwa nyumba, tuchome boti yako ama tuchome huyu bwanako mwenye mko nayo.
Kwa majina mimi naitwa Marco Denyudera, ile jina ya unati mimi naitwa governor. Ile kitu ilifanyika hapa kwetu ilifanyika mara pili. Haijamaliza hata mwezi 3. Tena hii ingine imefanyika. Sasa tukuna hofu. Hatujui leo itakuwa ni nani. Sasa insecurity is very poor katika South Alungo. Sasa tunaomba serikali atatusaidie namna gani. Hao watu wote wanaendaga baharini. Sasa wamama, mimi nikitoka bibi ananiambia tutaenda na wewe, na wanaogopa kukaa kwa nyumba. Sasa tutakaaje? Amen. Sasa naomba serikali Mr. William Ruto, naomba Raila Odinga, MCA, Mheshimiwa Abaja, Mheshimiwa Nikal, tafadhali kuja uone ile kitu inafanyika hapa South Alungo. Why Alungo South peke yake?
Igana rimwe na aria marahatukite mathomo mao kuri county-ini ya Laikipia rĩu nĩmekũrĩkia kwamũkĩra scholarship ya mũigana wa makĩria milioni 18 ikinyandithirio nĩ rũhonge rwa nyanjara rwa nyamũ rwa Oljapet na rĩu akĩaria arĩ kũrĩa mwena wa Nanyuki. Gavana wa county ya Laikipia Joshua Rungu nĩaugĩte atĩ scholarship ĩno ĩgũkorwo ĩgĩteithia arutwo arĩa matarĩ na ũhoti wa gũthoma mathomo-inĩ mao ma secondary.
Thank you.
kama budget tunaamini ya kwamba huwezi fanya conservation kama hauna community. Kwa hivyo njia moja ya kuwainua and also a sustainable way of improving the livelihoods of our community members is through. And today we are here to issue, tulikuwa hapa kupeana check ya 18 million Kenya shillings ambayo itaenda kusimamia masomo ya watoto 277 ambao Olpejeta wana sponsor huu mwaka.
Ngaka muthenya wa umuthi ucokeria Ngai ngatho ni tondu wa Olpejeta aria meka giko kia bata muno muthenya wa umuthi. Giko gitekagwo ni andu aingi, giko gia sponsor ciana makiria ciana 116 iria maheo full scholarship ya shukuru iria othe marathomera kana ni Mangu Boys kana ni Jojo Girls kana any other school in this country ni mahota kuheo full scholarship hamwe na uniform, kuguriro nginya uniform na nigetha mathome. Tugacokeria Olpejeta ngatho nyingi muno ndi tondu na gatagati ga ciana 116 iria maheo hindi ino ni kuri na ciana ingi 277 aria makoretwo magisponsor kwa muthenya wa umuthi ni kwagia ni tondu wa tamu ino gukorwo mwaka uyu wa 24 cheki ya milioni 18 iria cia donatwo ni tondu wa githomo gia ciana icio citu, na kwa twacokeria Olpejeta ngatho na no tuurie other launchers, other partners aria tuli nao gukura Laikipia County matumire o mfano ucio wa gukorwo magiteithiriria ciana citu iria ciumite from the families iria itehote nigetha tuhote guteithiriria family citu na kuinua maisha ya wananchi wetu kupitia kwa masomo. Kwa hivyo
Nero tumeko county ya Laikipia tukao tukigira kure mwana wa Saku kure mubuge wa Saku na uria ukoretwo agitugotera itena riake la gatatu wathani-ini Dido Ali Raso ni atariirie kioneki giake ya kurugama eta gavana mwaka-ini wa 2027 ari ithurano iria igakorwo iyuka guku bururi-ini wa Kenya.
I do not intend to run for Saku constituency seat again. And on the community's wish and their calling, they have asked me that on the retirement of the current governor of Marsabit, they have told me that I should run for the governorship in 2027. I think my record in my constituency is very clear. My political aspiration, my political achievements as the member for Marsabit is also very clear, and I think it is time to now look up and look at a higher office where I'll be able to provide services to my people with a bit of more resources. The many things I could not achieve as a member of parliament, I could achieve that. My other ambition is to try and work for the Marsabit County that is constituted by 14 different communities speaking different dialects to be brought under one roof in terms of development, in terms of unity to achieve synergy, and also to have peace among them.
Sisi kama jamii yetu, yeye ni jamii yetu kama yani Kilanda. Kwa moyale tumeamua wawili wamekuja kuungana, yeye na Chachu. Sasa kwa unyenyekevu kabisa bwana Chachu alikubali kuachia Raso kiti ya gavana. Sasa sisi tu kama jamii ya Kilanda tatu Gutiga, Maliyu na Achaya tumekubali tukapokea yeye kwa ita jamii hiyo, jamii ya Moyale kutoka Marsabit wakakuja kufariki wakafurahia uchaguzi yetu vile tumekubaliana.
Kwa ile roho ako naye ataongoza hii county, ndio sababu tumeamua ni yeye ataongoza, kwa sababu ni mwaminifu, ni mwadilifu, ni kila kitu yeye.
Naro tugitigana na riboti iyo ya uteti tukao tukigira sekta-ini ya githomo na thutha wa igeranio cia KCSE gukurikianirwo maumirira mao na arutwo aingi gukorwo makiamukira maumirira ma igeranio ici, riu aciari ni moretwo makorwo makihemberia cukuru cia TVET na uthinyĩrĩria arutwo ao gukorwo magithie macukuru-ini maya amu nimekugirira kugia na ugi mutwarithia na mbere muturero wao riri ni ritana rira ririkite kurekio ni munini wa warimu wa thukuru ya International College kuria mwena wa Nakuru kuria arakititie kuga ati itua riri ria ciana guthiaga mathukuru-ini ma TVET ni igutithiriria hari wagi wa mawira goko bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya.
We know quite a number of students have not made it to university, but I want to encourage those who did not make it to university that we have good courses for them. Yes, there is hope for you people. They can start from the TVET and then finally they will end up going up to degree programs. The universities should be left to over degrees alone, degrees and maybe the masters and the PhDs. So that these are the mid-level colleges should continue offering the TVET courses, because for sure it's now a competition. Yes, for example, if we have the Kabarak, they have the TVET wing, we have the MKU also having the TVET wing. So in my opinion, I would wish all those mid-level colleges be left to over the TVET courses. Employment has become a problem in this country. So we are trying to produce people who are job creators, the entrepreneurs who can come up with, we give them the skills. In fact, what we are doing in these mid-level colleges, we give them the skills so that when they finish their courses, they can go out and open their own businesses. They don't rely on being employed again, because employment has become a problem in this country. The current government is encouraging the TVET institution, and they are also supporting the students. Yes, in these TTIs, they normally give them capitation. So you see, they are supporting them because they are seeing employment is becoming a problem at the moment.
I don't think it would be a good idea for the TVETs to be absorbed in polytechnics, because there are some students who might not be, who will not have achieved the grades that are required by the polytechnics, like those people who can do the artisan courses, and others maybe the certificate. They might not be able to be absorbed. Where will those students go? So it should not be absorbed by the polytechnics. They should leave the institution. At least people can go and do whatever they want to do, to learn where they want to learn in the institutions whereby they will be absorbed, all of them.
Niritana rega ria githomo na riu riboti iyo niyo igukorwo igituhe kamweke ga gwikiria na ndugathi haraya mwe turacoka na mangi maingi. Kihoto kiunaga utamugete na kuona kihoto watho ni ufataranagia.
Watho ukoragwo wa guteithia mitugo na mikire ya maundu hari andu othe,
na watho ugite ni 3 months with full pay.
Ndwagĩrĩirwo gũtwarwo police station kana gũtwarwo criminal court ni ũndũ wa defamation.
Na nikio ni nawe tufatie kumenya uria mundu agietha kihoto giake.
Mwana ena right yake na mwana we ni innocent.
Kihoto iriko na muthuri na mutumia ai tokogana na indo equally.
Watho ni witikiritie ciana icio utigirwo.
Nyitana nani Wairimu wa Kimani guku kwa Muthingi TV o wakana thaigiri cia hwaini tuthome na tuhiganie ciigi watho amu guku nikuo kihumo kia gutherema.
Kiroto kiumanite na Ngai gikoragwo gigia kuguna mundu kiume. Jesu nigwirete wewe wako ikana wanikwi Lord, I lift your name on high.
Nitwagicokereria ororingi nguririkania ati mohoro ma maito muramemerekio imwe kwa imwe nenda-ini citu ciothe cia ukinyaniria Facebook @Muthingi TV, YouTube @Muthingi TV. Na riu tugithii na mbere, andu a nyumba ya family ya uria wari mutongoria wa gikundi kia Mungiki Maina Njenga nimatetetie thirikari makiuga ati maabitha a borithi makoretwo makimahoma kuona ati riria marathiaga mathiko ma mamawe abitha aya a borithi nimahingite njira ciothe cia guthii kuria mwena wa Naikuru makiuga ati makoretwo makiona maundu ta maya thutha wa kahinda kanene gutuika tu mari andu a family ya Maina Njenga uria wari mutongoria wa gikundi
Itora-ini ria tumusifu wa dini ya kia Maina gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Bahati kaunti-ini ya Naikuru ni kuria wari mutongoria wa gikundi kia Mungiki Maina Njenga arari ekinye niguo kunyitanira na andu a family yao hari guthika mama wao no indi araga kunyita itemi mathiko-ini macio toria aratanyite kurumirira uria family yao irarokire kuhamurithio ni maabitha a borithi guku barabara iria cierekeire muciĩ-ini ucio cikihingwo na ngari cia borithi.
Stuka sana kushindwa, familia wamekatazwa waingia hapa na serikali, hatujui ni nini imeendelea. Hata wale wanamwita anko hawakuji, hata wale wanamwita baba wengine wamekuzuriwa nje. Babangu hawezi zikwa. Na wizi imeendelea, lakini tuna huzuni familia. Wengine wetu wamewekwa nje, hatukuji wote.
Nafanya kazi kupikia watu, ilikuwa leo tukuje tumpumzishe bahari pema. Lakini wameleta vuguvugu, watu wamejaa, wengine wamezuia kukuja. We need justice and freedom. This is Kenya.
Kuringana nao ni ati matiregereire undu ta ucio gukorwo kiyumiria kuna marari mahurukia mwenda wao mari hamwe indi amwe ao mararemwo kunyita itemi mathiko-ini macio watanginyagia arata undu umwe na andu itura riu.
Nishangaa sana wakati tunatoa mwili kukuja kuzuiwa mpaka serikali wanaenda kuangalia mpaka sanduku ati wanatafuta aniko yangu Maina Njenga mpaka kwa sanduku, tukarasiwa kuharas kila mtu.
Mundu uria uguoyohetie andu a family ya Maina Njenga kuria makumithitie giko kiu na kuga mundu ndabatie kugirio guthie guthika mundu wao na ndari na ihitia ekite.
Gari zilikuwa zinawekwa huko, Land Rover, askari wamejaa, watu wanatolewa kwa gari, wanaambiwa washuke chini watembee mguu. Karibu mwili ibebwe hivi ndio gari isipite hapo. Mpaka nashindwa hii ni Kenya ama ni wapi?
Sasa tunashindwa ni nini serikali ya Ruto inataka na wananchi.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV niĩ njĩtagwo Ng'endo wa Njogu.
Thenge muno Ng'endo wa Njogu nĩ ũndũ wa riboti iyo. Rĩu tũgĩthiĩ na mbere, amwe a aikari a rũrĩrĩ rwa Italia muno wa Malindi na Watamu nimatetete nĩ ũndũ wa mĩgũnda yao gũkorwo ĩkĩgwatĩrwo ona nginyagia indo cia mamirioni ma mbeca kwĩgwatĩrwo nĩ andũ matoĩkaine. Rĩu magĩikĩrĩtana kũrĩ mũtongoria wa bũrũri Ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto atigĩrĩre atĩ mĩgũnda ĩno nĩ yamacokerera na indo ciao cia mamirioni ma mbeca nĩ macokerio mwaka-inĩ ũyũ tũrĩ.
There is some my friend from Italy come before 2005, 2006 to invest a lot of money in Kenya. After now there is the problem because around all the property is still for the shareholder is in the company together with my friend. Okay, I have the power attorney there for all the people. Okay, is Bresciani, Pusterla, Alimonti Marco. After I have the power attorney for a FIC International. is my friend invest. Is every time 3 people. These 3 people is Bresciani family, Pusterla Giuseppe e Alimonti Marco. Me, is this the point? Is these people send €1 million here, understand? Is the people by Bellevue, Denman, Holborn, Antioquia, plot 309, 399, 309, no, 399, 409, 377. All the plot is like that, the system, she call, there is another 2 plot, please send the money by, there is another 2 plot, send the money by, every time is the same story. Wrong document. Still the property, this is the hotel in Vatamu, the property 60% is for my friend. And here where I stay now, Pleiadi, okay, there is the big case. I don't know why and come the big case. The people pretend come inside the private property, broken the gate with the excavator. But it's private property here, it's not Barabara. But it's possible do, I don't know why. It's better control the story, it's better save the people to invest. This is the risk for the people, no, it's possible live like that.
Naroto getigana riboti iyo kigira kuria mwena wa Nyandarua kuria hari itemi ria kugacirithia githomo mwena wa Kipipiri riu cukuru ikirite 30 ni gukorwo ikiamukira kigina kia NGCDF kiria kiri gitigagirira ati arutani makuru makirugirwo mashukuru-ini mao kuringana na mubunge wa Kipipiri wa Jiko wa Muhia uria ekirira agithurima unyagia wa irio cikuri count kuri wadi ici itiganite arakorirwo akiuga ati aria marugaga arugi hamwe na aria makiandikitwo ni BOM cukuru-ini ici cia cia Kipipiri cia secondary marikoragwo makiheo kigina kiao ni kigina giki kia NGCDF county-ini ino ya Nyandarua.
In terms of performance, because in the past, toward the beginning of the term, there were students who were sending away because of the school fees, and because they could not be able to pay the school fees, they were waiting at home until the time for the exams toward the end of the term. And therefore, there was a lot of curriculum that used to be covered when students were away. And now that the students will be school most of the time, we are sure that the performance in our schools in Kipipiri, equally here at Mahedu, we are sure that the performance will be able to go up because students will be in school throughout the term. We really appreciate this particular program and we hope that it shall be able to be successful and it shall be able to go even to the other term that will be coming. Otherwise, we are very happy with our MP and we appreciate her because of that initiative.
Thank you. Thank you. Wanafunzi, kama vile mmesikia mwalimu amesema program ilikuwa covered while others are away. Now we want the program to continue where we are all in school. Sawa sawa. In summary, tunaleta chakula alafu mwalimu anapata shida sana na walimu wa BOM kwa sababu pesa inakuwa haitoshi na capitation hailipi BOM. So sisi tutakuwa tunalipia mwalimu wake wa BOM. Sio ni mzuri? So that we make sure you have enough teachers. Yule mpishi mwenye anapika hii chakula pia sisi tutakuwa tunamlipa. Kwa hivyo mwalimu kazi yake ni kununua nyanya na nyinyi mkipanda nyanya pale mnachuna tu. Mnapanda kitunguu pale mnachuna tu. Mnapanda cabbage, si agriculture classroom iko hapa. Sasa muanze kulima ndio msitumie pesa mingi kwa vitu inaweza kuwa hapa kwetu. Mwalimu ananunua kuni peke yake. Sawa sawa. So msome na bidii. We are looking forward to see very good results starting this year Kipipiri constituency. Sawa sawa. Kipipiri oye. Happy New Year.
nero tugethii na mbere o riboti ici cia mathomo riu kamiti ya mwanya ni gukorwo igithundirwo ni guthuthuria thukuru iria ikoretwo itegwika wega guku gicigo-ini kia ubunge gia Kirinyaga ya gatagati iria itagotetwo igika wega hari mwaka-ini ucio ari mumirira ma KCSE ni ndomereri iria irakorirwo ikirekererio ni mubunge Gacoki Gitare uria aragikorwo akiuga ati mumirira mo maronaniria ati macukuru-ini maria arutwo mainukaga kana tumetaga day school marakorwo magika wega gukira macukuru maria arutwo magikoragwo magikoma na wo ekonanete hari na gathina kariho macukuru-ini maya manene maria mari na igweta hau gatene
ni twacokia ngatho muno ni gutunetia gitio na gutuonia ati it doesn't matter kuria urathomera ona ukithomagera thukuru ya day no uvituke.
Thutha wa maumĩrĩra ma kĩgeranio gĩa KCSE kũrekererio mathukuru marĩa arutwo mainũkaga o mũthenya nĩ monanĩtie maumĩrĩra mega gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa ũmbunge gĩa Kirinyaga ya gatagati kũrĩa thukuru wa Kĩrĩmunge hamwe na Kĩaritha mekĩte wega makĩria.
Yakenu muno ni undu wa day schools na tukiaria uboro wa day school ingienda kuriganirwo ni Kĩrĩmunge secondary school aria matumite tukene ta andu a Kirinyaga ni undu wa ciana icio inya ira performire wega twins, the two sets of twins na aria maronaniria ati gutira mata kuria umite
ya gatagati Gacoki Gitare ni onanitie kieha kumana na maumĩrĩra moru kuma kũrĩ thukuru iria nene na iria ciarĩ igweta na iria nĩ cia gũkomwo rĩu akiuga atĩ kamĩtĩ ya mwanya nĩ gũthondekwo gũthuthuria mathukuru maya nĩguo kũmenya kĩrĩa kĩrarĩa kĩrĩa kĩngĩ.
Sleeping giants in Kirinyaga, and I want to quote them here without fear or favor. Ndathomeire Kamũirũ secondary. I'm impressed with the performance.
Gitare augĩte mwaka mũhĩtũku mũrutwo ũrĩa wekĩte wega makĩria kĩgeranio kĩa KCSE aumĩte thukuru-inĩ wa secondary wa Gathuthuma ũrĩa arutwo mainũkaga o mũthenya na mwaka ũyũ mũrutwo ũrĩa wekĩte wega aruma thukuru-inĩ wa secondary wa Kĩrĩmunge.
Na no twende kumenya niki kiratuma Kamũirũ instead ya ku improve ni gucokera acoka na thi ni ithuĩ ta leadership twirinde kumuthikiriria aria mekuo thiini wa leadership ya cukuru nigetha matwire ni atia mangienda twike nigetha Kamũirũ secondary na akina Kĩrũgũya boys kina Kĩaritha secondary school all those schools iria ira perform below expectation kana below their capacity matwire niki mangienda twike nigetha ma perform na ciana citu ithie na mbere na gushine.
MCA wa Mutira Kinyua wa Wangui nĩ aranĩire mũbango wao wa kũgacĩrithia gĩthomo gĩcigo-inĩ gĩkĩ kĩa ũmbunge gĩa Kirinyaga ya gatagati na gũtigĩrĩra mathukuru mothe nĩ maheana maumĩrĩra mega gũkũ akĩenda arutwo arĩa mathomagĩra thukuru-inĩ cia kũinũka kwaga kwĩiraga na kwĩrutanagĩria mũno makĩria mathomo-inĩ mao.
Otogo mheshimiwa Gitare uga nĩ tũrĩigua twĩ let down ni some of our giant schools especially Kamũirũ secondary school kuria tuwi ni thukuru iria ina history ya gukorwo igiproduce andu ingi anene thiini wa bururi wa Kenya.
Njiguaga magetwo sleeping giants ni arutwo arĩa mabatiĩ gwĩka wega no matineka wega kana mathukuru marĩa mabatiĩ gwĩka wega no matineka wega no nĩ ũndũ wa mwanya na thirikari ĩkĩgeria kũingĩra gatagati na kũgacĩrithia sector ĩno ya gĩthomo. Nĩrĩo riboti ĩyo nĩyo ĩgũtwĩkĩrĩra gaturumo gĩkũnjĩro gitũ kĩa mohoro mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ. Ngatho cia mwanya mũno makĩria nĩ we gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩ watwara na ithuĩ kuma rĩrĩa twambĩrĩirie gĩkũnjĩro gitũ kĩa mohoro nginyagia thaa ici. Ngatho cia mwanya mũno makĩria kũrĩ arĩa tũkĩrĩ nao gũkũ studio-inĩ arĩa matigĩrĩra atĩ mohoro maya maitũ nĩ maharĩrio na magũkinyĩra na njĩra ĩrĩa ĩbacĩrĩire. Ngũririkania atĩ ona yarĩkia kũhanda thaa ĩmwe oro nginyagia thaa ithatũ nĩ tũgũkorwo tũkĩharĩria mangĩ maingĩ marĩa tũgũkũrehera metha-inĩ itũ ya mohoro. No gwa kahinda gaka njĩtĩkĩria ngoro ngĩkwendithĩria mĩaraho mĩega niĩ njĩtĩkaga wa Imo wa Kĩmani.